In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to download and install both BlueJ, which is the integrated development environment we're going to be using with this course, and the Java Development Kit, which is the compiler and runtime we're going to need to actually run Java programs. So open your web browser, and then we're going to navigate to the URL for BlueJ, which is www.bluej.org. There you see the opening screen. It takes you right to the download and install links, so you can pick the one that's right for your operating system. I'm going to be working in Windows, so I'm going to download the BlueJ combined installer. If you already have Java on your system, you can just get the BlueJ installer itself, but I want both. Again, I'm just trying to cover all bases here, so we'll click this link. We want to save the file, and it's going to take a few minutes to install. So I'll just kind of sit back quietly until we get it all. So right now it's saying on my system it's going to take 7 minutes. Hopefully that's not true. So I'm just going to kind of sit back here, and I'll come back when we're close to ready to go to the next step in the installation. Okay, it looks like we're getting close now to having the download finish up. Now, of course, we still have to run the installer, but at least that will be somewhat interactive. So let's go ahead and open the installer up. Here it comes. Click Next. You can set it up either way you want to. I'm going to install it just for me. I'm going to accept all of these options. That directory is fine, so I'll just click Next. Everything's ready to go, so I'm going to click Install. And then we're going to sit back and wait a few more minutes. Okay, it's asking me to give it the rights to install. I did. Now we're going to wait just a few more minutes while it actually copies some files. Okay, looks like we're finished, so let's click the Finish button. Then it may take a minute here to actually finish. Make sure there's nothing else going on behind the scenes. I want to check my taskbar. Oh, there we go. So if we minimize our browser, which I'm going to do and just open up my desktop, you should see an icon for BlueJ. Let's go ahead and load it. I may have to adjust the opening screen to fit my projection screen. Here it's going to ask you if you want to participate in research. I am going to choose to, and I hope you do too. Let's see if I make my screen a bit larger for you. Whoops, there we go. I won't try to fit it perfectly this time. In the future it will be. Anyway, that's the beginning screen. In future lessons I'll be showing you how to use BlueJ and certainly how to use it when writing Java programs. But for now, we can end this lesson by saying that we have successfully downloaded and installed the BlueJ and the JDK, which we'll be testing very shortly in the next lesson.